Hello, my name is Linda and I'm doing a presentation with Sean, Alice and Mohammed. The predicted annual growth rate increase in international traffic of 4.3% will result in an increase in first-time travelers. The majority of issues that first-time travelers are likely to experience are airport-related. Since Africa is said to have the largest increase, our target market is African airports. Airports have been introducing mobile app-based technologies, but considering that mobile penetration in Africa is only at 43%, our solution takes away the burden from passengers having to own their own mobile devices. Hence, our system will be airport-based. Our main aim is to provide easy access to information that passengers require.
Our answer to this problem is an approachable, user-friendly information kiosk called EAVA, the Airport Visitor Assistant. EAVA will be one of the first things travelers will see as they enter the airport and will help guide passengers to their flights. At the departure airport, EAVA will direct passengers from the entrance to the boarding gate. At the arrival airport, it will direct passengers to the connecting flights or to the exit. Passengers will check in and print their boarding passes when they arrive. As they progress through the airport, they will scan their boarding passes. EAVA will then update their flight information and direct them to the next step.
EAVA's interface is designed to be simple and only requires a few taps from the user. On the welcome screen, the passenger is instructed to scan their passport. This means that no typing is involved throughout the process. Passengers have the ability to choose their plane seat on EAVA before their boarding pass is printed. The passenger is asked to ensure that their check-in luggage does not contain any explosives or any prohibited devices. EAVA then proceeds to direct the passenger to the check-in counter. Should the passenger get confused about the directions, each EAVA station will direct the passenger to the next station just by scanning their passport until they have reached the desired location within the airport. Here, after the passenger has checked their luggage in, EAVA will direct the passenger to their boarding gate. Once the passenger has arrived at their destination, they can scan their passport to get more information to navigate through the airport. Should the passenger have a connecting flight, EAVA will direct them to the next boarding gate. Otherwise, EAVA will direct the passenger to the luggage claims area as well as letting the passenger know at which terminal to collect their belongings.
For the rapidly growing African mobile market, our app is available. Our interface offers full multilingual support. At the EAVA kiosk, they will scan their QR code to check in. You then choose your seats. The app will then guide them to the baggage drop-off. At the drop-off, they can scan their QR code to verify the drop-off is made. The app then guides them to the security gate. Travelers are then given information about the waiting area and a countdown to boarding. When they arrive, it guides them to the baggage claim area. They can then scan to confirm the baggage has been picked up. They are then given directions where to leave the airport. Thank you very much.